Hey guys, so today, let's hope I'm in focus, guys. This camera is not acting right. So today was started out where I was on track, and then time got a little bit away from me. I did finish one of the coffee table book that I'll talk about later, and then I went to the store and I was just like not happy because the prices. Oh my god, I know everybody's experiencing it, but I don't know what I bought for $50 this morning, but apparently I spent $50 in the grocery store. So with that, whatever, I did make some more paper, guys, and these are so much thinner. So I figure out how to make them thinner and not thick. They all came out really nice. So I'm going to distress. I think I'm gonna do this one and use it for my scrap today. And then also I am going to be doing some earrings that I've been putting off for a while. Just some basic ones that I've made before. A red, and then I want to. So I'm going to show you my tools, what I use when I make my earrings. And there's an earring I want to start working on with some faux leather that I have an idea how I want it, but I haven't played around with it yet. And that one will need to be sewed on the side only because of the shape. But I think I might hand do it because I have some tools to hand sew it. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to do my little tripod thing so you can see what I'm doing. Don't have a really direct clue. I just want to paint and distress the paper so I can use them in my journal today. So that is what we're going to do. Me running down thinking it's my juicer, but no, it's this. Why I'm not so happy, these are gifts for my job. So I have 3 other items that's coming, and I got a bunch of gift cards. I'm not mad about it, but this was an overpriced gift. Overpriced. But I'm gonna use it in the morning. I'm gonna use it in the morning and wait for my juicer that I'm really excited about to come. But yeah. Alright guys, so let me show you some of my tools. Okay, so first I have this one. This is what I use to bore some hole in the leather piece. It's pretty sharp, guys. And this wood is why I always use this wood when I make earrings, because I don't want to damage anything when I'm making. So this is another one. So this is smooth the leather edges. So this is 2 for. Then I have 2 of 3 actually similar tools. Actually 2. So these are the same. So basically what I use to open and close the holes. Depends on what it is. I use this, or I use this. I use inside here, or I use there. Depends on what it is that I am doing. Inside here or here. Then this I use for cutting the wire or whatever I have. It's pretty sharp, and it does cut through wires. Then I have this one that I don't use as much, but it's another interesting tool to use when you're doing certain things. So it's a good one. Mainly leathers I use with this one. But yeah. We have this tool, which is my favorite tool to use to put holes in things. So if you look closely, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different hole size, and this works really good when I'm doing leather and I want where I want the chain or anything to hang off. It's the sizing, and it makes it even on both sides because I will use the same hole. But this is a friend and I love it. The rest are basic. I always have a small scissors, and I have, of course, the sharp cutter. And that's it for my tool. Oh, I also have a ruler. That's for my tool. There are some more tools I want to get, but honestly, every time I go to Michael, that section is wiped out. So they'll always have sale, but then the sale, you wiped out after that, guys. It's amazing. So this is one of the kit that I love to put stuff in, and I have quite a few things in here. This is the copper rustic look, and these are the back. These are the, I have that color. I have it in I have it in other colors, but they're just not in here. I have different kind. Oh, well, this is another color of the same exact thing. I have it in, I have this, it's a hook kind, and I use this on some earrings. So all my costume earrings, they all costume earrings. None of these are real gold because I'm not that kind of blinger yet to be having real gold sitting around. And this is another wood feature that I like using to make certain earrings. And I'll put it here. When I made the knobs, sometimes this is the little back that we all know of. And these are for my studs. I use the back of these. I have it in 3 different colors. And then, let's see. So these are, I use a lot. So I have about a bag full of different kinds of these. So these are what I will use. I guess I'll give you an example. and then you put it in here and it open it. So I'm not going to open it, and then if I want to close it, I can put it in between here and close it. For those of you who are wondering about my, then we have these. It's a mixture of both, but then I also have for necklace and things. So this is like a rose gold color. Where we have the what's in here that I haven't showed you. Yeah, this is another interesting one that I use sometimes. These are so helpful. I got these at Michael's and it helped to organize because my big tub, which I'll show you in a minute. I got this as well. I just love making costume earrings. They just relaxes me, and of course you have these for necklace and stuff. And these are the ones I use most often, but of course I have that situation. So guys, you can see that big tub. There's a lot of things in there. A lot of things in this tub. And so I can make tons of earrings. I just haven't been making any lately. So, give you an idea of my tools for my earrings that I just like making. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. This is what I use if I'm using fabric. This kind of glue. It doesn't bunch at all. Alright, so I'm going to start working on some stuff. I'm going to cut the camera off because I don't know what I'm doing yet. And I will show you once I figure out what I'm going to do. But I haven't made a new earring in a while. So, yeah, that's it for right now. Alright guys, this is what I got so far. Not far, guys. So this is how I want it to look. I'm also going to add something else to it. The problem is I don't like the color, so I had to make up some stuff. Oh, it's a mess. I gotta wipe that up. Gotta wipe it up. I don't want that to stain. Alright, so I want the color to be of the wood to be darker. So I'm gonna let it sit in here overnight. Yeah, see? I don't know if you can see the difference. So I'm gonna have it sit in there. So now I'm gonna do these as well, because these for another project. And then I gotta take these back off, which was work to get it in. See, at least I know when I wear it. Oh no. Yeah, it popped it. Take on it. Yeah, this was definitely deep in it. So now I gotta find a replacement. So at least I know when I put it in, it's not gonna move unless you break it. So yeah. All right. So these are going to stay here. Also forgot to show you guys the big dog. So this is for bigger holes. This works really well too. Forgot I had that. So I am going to just have this sit here, and I might work on some more stuff later in the night, but I need to cut some fabric in the morning, so don't know how much stuff I'm going to get done. And guys, it's so windy outside, so I'm hoping the power doesn't go. But let's talk about what I read. Hey guys, so I am trying to do this video to end it because it's super windy and I'm in the woods, and every time it gets really windy I lose power. So let's hope, I hope that don't happen. It happened Monday. It happened Monday night. I lost power for about an hour and a half, and it was just not my thing. So I got into the coffee table book, guys. Inbounds. So I like this. It's the evolution of historical black college player in professional football. So these are history, the first. What I like about this, you get what school they came from, what university. You get the illustration in this is amazing as well. I can really appreciate the illustration. But what I like is, sorry guys. Ooh. You get, let me go to the one of the first. So you get the player, you get the school that they played, so this university that they played for, and it gives you some of their stats at when they were at the university. So college career, you know, this one, he was a 3-time all Southwestern Conference cornerback. So, and it gives you his stats pretty much. So like for people who are into sports and want to know what the person record was when they were in college, you would appreciate this. It also gives you at the end, you get some of where they went pro. So you get to see what team they played for. They also mention some of the coaches that they were under. And the school, like how many people from that school that went pro during a certain time period. It gives you a lot of stat, and I thought that was like really good. But you know, you gotta love the the team. Look at the, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. I was literally going through some of these players. Sorry about that, guys. Some. So I have to admit, there's some of these players I don't know. That's how far back they went. A lot of them I really don't know. I'm not that heavy into American football to really know a lot of them compared to like football, the world football, what y'all like to call soccer. No, I could name some people because I'm a big fanatic. It was just, I love going through this. This was actually pretty interesting, and you get to learn a lot about some of the programs that they have. But this is like gift. Like, this is like the perfect gift for someone who is a football fanatic, and I think this is like a really good Christmas gift. So, but I like coffee book table like this, like we're interested. Sometimes I have male friends, they might actually pick this up and look at it and find it interesting. So I definitely say pick it up. I enjoy it. I thought it was interesting, and it got me familiarized with some of the players from way back that I wasn't aware of. I mean, I'm sure some of these players, a football head would automatically know who they are. But so stuff like this I appreciate. When I got this, I was excited because I was like, ooh, coffee book. I don't have a coffee book. Well, I have one coffee book, but I really don't have anything else. So this will be one I can keep on. That was, once all this clear off, this one would stay on the actual coffee table. So yeah. And again, great gift for the guy in your life. Pick it up. Like I said, I like the illustration that they had in the beginning and all the players that they highlighted. Because of course, I don't think it's all the players, but a lot. So anyway, let me end this because my phone is going too far off and it's all the way in the corner. But thanks for watching, guys. This is another day of, what am I doing? But tomorrow will be a little bit more structured because I got a project I'm going to start working on tomorrow. And then I'll probably, hopefully, can finish the earrings that you can see what they look like, and I'll probably wear them. And I need to do some cutting also. So all that's going to happen tomorrow. Because tomorrow is going to be a little busy and longer. Today is just kind of chill day. Chill day, guys. But anyway, pick this up for your guy. Gift. Yeah. Alright, guys. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. And have a good day. Bye.